757 aircraft. Please ensure that hand luggage is placed in the overhead locker or underneath the seat in front of you. Your seat backs and tables are in the upright lock position with your armrest down and your seatbelt fastened. The seatbelt is fastened, adjusted and unfastened like this. Please observe the fastened seatbelts and no smoking signs which are visible throughout the cabin, and take a moment to study the safety card in your seat area. This contains information on the location and operation of exits, oxygen and life jackets. It also shows the brace position which must be adopted in emergency landing. If you are sitting near to an exit, please familiarise yourself with its operation. There are 8 emergency exits on this 757. They're located 2 at the front and 2 at the rear of each cabin section. The exits are clearly marked and your nearest exits are being pointed out now. Please bear in mind that the nearest usable exit may be behind you. In the unlikely event of having to use the slide, please leave all hand baggage behind. Sharp objects or high-heeled shoes must be removed as they may tear the escape slide. Should you need assistance in finding these exits, low-level lights will illuminate a path to all exits as being indicated. If the cabin air supply fails, masks like these will automatically appear from the panel above your head and in the toilets. Sit down, reach up, pull the mask towards you. It is the action of pulling the mask to your face which opens the oxygen supply automatically. Place it over your nose and mouth with the elastic band around your head, adjusting the band to secure it and breathe normally. The bag on the mask may not inflate, but oxygen will still be flowing. Passengers travelling with children, fit your own mask first before assisting your child. The aircraft will then commence a controlled descent to an altitude where additional oxygen is no longer required. There is a life jacket located beneath your seat if directed by the cabin crew. Remove it from its container, place it over your head and pass these tapes out around the waist and tie in a double knot on the left hand side of the jacket. To inflate the life jacket, pull this red toggle sharply downwards. If the life jacket fails to inflate or needs topping up, blow into this tube. A light and a whistle are provided for attracting attention. Do not inflate your life jacket until you're outside the aircraft, as it would impede your exit. Infant life jacket and flotation cots are also carried. All mobile phones and transmitting devices must be switched off for takeoff and landing. Those with a flight safe or an airplane mode can be used in flight. We also ask that any device that has a Wi-Fi or a wireless transmitting facility has this facility turned off. Electronic equipment, including phones in flight safe mode, computers, music players and games may be used once the seatbelt signs have been switched off after takeoff. The cabin crew are now completing a final cabin check before takeoff. We ask you to consider the safety and the welfare of everyone on board, and with this in mind...
Very
please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened until the captain has switched off the seatbelt sign. Thank you. remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened until the aircraft comes to a complete stop. The seatbelt sign has been switched off and the main passenger doors have been opened. Welcome to Dalaman, where the local time is nearly 1:30. Before leaving the aircraft, would you please ensure that you have all your hand baggage with you? Checking the overhead lockers and the seat pockets. Do take care when opening the lockers, as contents may have moved during the flight. Would you please ensure that you have your passports ready for the immigration authorities inside the terminal building? We'd like to remind you that on arrival in Turkey you will be required to purchase a Turkish visa at a cost of £10 per person. To avoid any unnecessary delay, please ensure that you have the correct amount of money ready for the immigration authorities inside the terminal building. Once you have collected your bags, then proceed through customs, where you will find our Thomas Cook reps desk at desks 5 and 6, and they will assist you further. We'd like to advise you that smoking is not permitted until you're well outside the terminal building and only in a designated smoking area. On behalf of our captains, both our captains and the crew, we do hope you've enjoyed your flight with us today, and we wish you a very enjoyable holiday down here in Turkey. It certainly has been our pleasure to have you on board today, and we do look forward to seeing you on your return trip in a week or two. One more piece of information, ladies and gentlemen. When you are coming back to the UK, the duty-free allowance are displayed on the board, but we would like to point out that this is not the EU allowance. You will be allowed only 200 cigarettes and 1 litre of spirits per person.
£10 each.
Once again, we'd like to thank you for flying with us and wish you a pleasant day. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, we do have an announcement today. We've got a special birthday, and it's Matthew Buick. He's in seat 24B. It's his 18th birthday today, and he's going on holiday to Marmaris. So we'd like to wish him all a very happy birthday. We'd like to put your hands together and give him a round of applause.
I didn't even hear it.
You're joking.